We just learned that Tesla is actively in talks with Indian automotive parts suppliers in order to supply parts in India, which is hinting that a possible gigafactory or an assembly line or just a manufacturing of cars in India is imminently close. So people are saying order parts, why not? But build a factory in India is very unlikely. Why is unlikely? It's an interesting choice, that's for sure. There are other much easier places to do business that have bigger automotive markets, especially electric car markets. Maybe Tesla is aiming for where India will be a decade from now. For that, you need to prepare right for now. But if other people say, if you check sales volume, it's small cars and micro. Tesla India would have to be an exporter. If so, exporting to where? Yes, indeed. Let's say Tesla builds a gigafactory in India today. It should be for export, but Giga Shanghai next door is already exporting. Exporting where? In this report, I'm going to tell you about that. I'm going to also tell you to which companies Tesla is exactly talking in India, and from the parts that they make, you will find out whether India is aiming for a gigafactory or an assembly line in India or for something else. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla and electric vehicle news that happen within hours and we report within hours, and also ring the bell so you don't miss my coverage. And if you find this report informative, please give us thumbs up and share in social media. I would greatly appreciate it. So Tesla is in talks with Indian auto parts suppliers as part of its plans to enter the local market. In which way Tesla will enter the local market? Just selling cars, opening up one or two the Tesla experience centers, or call it dealerships, or maybe a manufacturing. Now, this step, by talking to parts suppliers inside India, may hint at a possible creation of an assembly facility for the company's cars directly in the country. Tasmanian calls it an assembly facility, hinting to a possible assembly facility, which in my personal opinion, down the line, can grow to become a gigafactory. I think Tesla is making the right moves to prepare where India will be in 5 years or where India will be in 10 years, especially if the battery technology is improving and Tesla can aim to build cheaper cars, less expensive, discounted, affordable models with Indian supplies. For example, if supplies of building cars come from India and they are discounted and they are less expensive, this will obviously give Tesla an opportunity to develop very affordable vehicles. And taking into consideration that by the time you talk to suppliers, by the time you come up with a assembly plan or a gigafactory architecture plan, or by the time you start building it, and I don't know how easy it is to build and how fast you can build in India, it will take at least a couple of years, at least 2 good years, and Tesla may have already done some calculations that, let's say, within 2 years, that Indian market will be grown by certain percent, economy will be grown by certain percent, and their advancement of battery technology will allow to build cheaper, more affordable Teslas, and they can have a meeting point with the Tesla and Indian economic market of cars. Now, several people familiar with the matter told the Economic Times that India is looking for critical electrical, electronic and mechanical components in India. The parts list includes instrument panels, windshields, differential brakes, gears, and power seats. Tesla has reportedly already partnered with several Indian companies, including Sona Comstar Ltd, Sandhar Technologies Ltd, and Bharat Forge Ltd. This hints that the manufacturer, Tesla, is considering setting up an assembly facility in the country. Otherwise, why would you want to buy instrument panels from India, windshields from India, differential brakes from India, gears and power seats from India, right? Are you buying this to take it to Giga Shanghai? Are you buying this to take it to Gigafactory Berlin? Could be, who knows? I would like to hear your opinions on this, friends. Let me know please in the comments section below. So these companies, Sona Comstar, Sandhar Technologies, Bharat Forge, are already in talks with Tesla, according to some people familiar with the matter who told this news to Economic Times. Now, Tesla CEO Elon Musk said in July that a car factory in India is quite likely. That was a quote, quite likely, if the company can first import its cars with reduced duties onto the country to study demand. A little bit ago, I said that Tesla needs some time and obviously studying the demand to see if there is a meeting point between Tesla cars manufactured in India and the Indian economic market. Although there was a rumor that the government would not take this step, that means Elon Musk's request to kind of reduce duties on the country to study demand. So maybe the government would not take this step. It later became known that it is seeking to know the roadmap for Tesla's development in India, after which it will consider it regarding the import tax. The Ministry of Heavy Industry and Finance requested details of the company's development in the country during a meeting in early August. In addition, the department also asked Tesla for its thoughts on how the import tax on fully built cars should be weighted against those cars that come in parts and are assembled in India. Basically, what government is saying to India is this: hey, show me your roadmap. Where do you want to go with this? How far do you want to go with this? Let's say we lower the duties and we allow this to become a law, or for you or for others. Now, would this lead to Tesla building a Gigafactory and hiring thousands of people? Because, thousands of people for India may not be a lot because India has a huge population, but if in the news goes that Tesla is building a Gigafactory in India, that will be a huge boost for the Indian economy, as Tesla is a good brand name that a lot of people want to be associated with. So this is why the Ministry of Heavy Industry and Finance requested details of the company's development in the country during a meeting in early August. In addition, the department also asked Tesla for its thoughts on how the import tax on fully built cars should be weighted against those cars that come in parts and are assembled afterwards in India. Friends, cars can be imported to India in different states, explains Eva Fox from Tasmania. Completely built up units, those are called CBU, completely knocked down, SKD, and semi-knocked down, SKD. I'm sorry, the second was CKD, completely knocked down, CKD, and semi-knocked down, SKD. What import tax will be imposed on them directly depends on this. While the real demand in the Indian market for Tesla has yet to be explored, on-site assembly of cars could be more profitable for Tesla and allow the manufacturer to sell cars at cheaper prices for customers. Previously, Tesla cars were spotted testing in the Pune district near the town of Chakan. The appearance of the manufacturer's cars here may hint that the site is being seen as a base for testing and eventual production. Chakan already has factories of some car manufacturers such as Mercedes, Volkswagen, Mahindra, and Bajaj. A location here would facilitate Tesla's access to suppliers and skilled workers, says Tasmanian. Guys, I'm reporting this news, and right now at the top of my head, I don't know where Chakan is located in the Indian map, but you can look up it online and see. So earlier, former Trade Union Minister Nitin Gadkari asked Tesla to consider building its electric vehicles in India to take advantage of additional incentives. He assured that the cost of producing an electric vehicle to Tesla in India would be the cheapest in the world, even compared to China, considering that you are going to bring parts from India, and they are less expensive to introduce. So what do you think, friends? Do you think Tesla will build in India for the Indian market, or Tesla will build a Gigafactory and build Tesla vehicles in India for exporting? Now, Tesla India would have to be probably for exporter right now if they do it, mainly for exporter, but I don't know. But if exporting where? To China, to Europe, or to the United States, or elsewhere? Let me know your thoughts, friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news that happens within hours. Friends, you gave me your valuable time listening to this video. In return, I want to leave you with a lasting value as well. In the book of Proverbs, it says, ill-gotten treasures have no lasting value, but righteousness delivers from death. The Lord does not let the righteous go hungry, but he thwarts the craving of the wicked. Let's do the right things in this world, everything we do. Let's do the right things, everything we do, in everything we say, and in everything we think. You will never go hungry if you do that, friends. Treating people right, in other words, treating people the way you want them to be treated by you. You want to be treated by them. Well, have a great day. God bless you, everyone. Peace be with all of you, and I'll see you soon in our next report.